Today we're going to upgrade the memory on a Lenovo T61 laptop. As opposed to the old ThinkPad laptops, there was a door on the bottom side that you could upgrade the memory. On the newer models, you actually have to disassemble the front bezel to get access to the memory locations and upgrade it. The bezel's located right here. First thing you want to do is to of course power the system off, and then also take off the battery. Okay. And then there's basically 5 screws on the bottom side of the unit that you take off to allow access to the memory location. The screws that are used to open up the bottom are designated by an icon. There's a memory icon on the bottom side of the unit. So we're going to take those screws out and then disassemble it, and I'm going to show you the inside of the unit and how to take that apart. The screws that are put in the bottom, when they're originally put in, there's Loctite on them, so those screws may be a little bit harder to get out the first time in. After you disassemble it, you can tell if the system's been disassembled if the Loctite was going off by the screws being taken out more than once. After you remove the 5 screws, you turn the system unit over, open up the lid. Removing the front bezel, you basically dislodge the 2 front corners of the system. Just basically get your fingernail underneath, pry one corner up. Pry the other corner up. Then basically the lid opens like a door, exposing the compartment. Take off the connector for the touchpad. Set that aside. Then I'm going to show you the internal component and how we install the memory. I wanted to show you the interior of the IBM or the Lenovo ThinkPad laptop, and you notice the center carriage for the memory. It has two banks in it, the lower bank here and the upper bank where we're going to put the memory. And then you'll notice over on the right the one connector that we have to remove the connector for the touchpad, and we'll reinsert that when we get done and finished. Now we're going to install the memory into the laptop, noting there's 2 banks in the laptop, the lower bank, which has already got memory in it, and the upper bank, which is right about here. Anyways, when you're installing memory, it's good to ground yourself either through a grounding strap, or at least ground yourself to the device so there's no static charge delivered through the memory or to the chip that you're putting in. So anyways, we're gonna slide it in, lining it up with the groove there. If you have the wrong type of memory, the groove can be in a different location and it won't even be able to install. Slide it in, press it in with your thumb, and then press it down into place. Okay, after you install the memory, the next part is to reinstall the connector for the touchpad. Assemble the front door. Snap down both corners. Close the lid, turn it over, install your 5 screws in the back.